I hope you enjoyed this crash course on Clubhouse app, and I hope that you will be able to apply these tips. The app is still developing, and in the next few months, we can definitely expect some great things. The app is still in beta version, and probably the next step would be to actually open the app for public. And this would probably mean that there are no more invites. However, we still need to wait, and we don't know for sure whether the invites are here to stay or not. The next logical step would be to open the app for Android users. So far, the use of the app is very limited, and you need to own an iPhone. So with Android users, you can imagine how many more active users there will be on a daily basis. You're probably frustrated now because maybe you have invites and you want to send to your friends, but if they don't own an iPhone, then they can't use the app. Hopefully, this will change in the future. And what would be exciting to see if there will be some new features in the app, or maybe they decide to add ads. But that is yet to explore. I hope you enjoyed the course and keep exploring the app.